guys from Maestro Copelli. Today this is insane because I'm super happy. We are in Bari, my own city, and finally, believe it or not, I found the best Neapolitan pizza maybe in all Puglia. It's insane, guys. This restaurant is insane. Like you saw behind me, Sophia Loren. Sophia Loren is one of the most famous Italian actresses, even for food. I want to show you everything what I'm talking about. I want to show you the beauty of this restaurant and the fantastic pizza that we find. Also, I even teach a guy how to clap technique. So it's also technical. So from now, watch until the end and let's meet the Sophia Loren first pizzeria in Bari. Let's go! And take a look, guys, how fantastic restaurant, pizza place. Well, it's more restaurant that they also have a pizza. I found this beautiful restaurant thanks to my cousin right there. He's waiting for me.
Welcome, Vito.
Thank you. No,
Finally, you made it.
my cousin Michael Mazzone, tattoo artist, doesn't have nothing to do with pizza, but since he came with me in the United States, thank you so much for
Thank you
discovering this restaurant, this beautiful restaurant. I think it's the most beautiful restaurant I've ever seen in my life.
Vieni con me, ho portato le racchette, andiamo a giocare.
Wow, guys, they also this is like a thank you so much. Before we get hungry, let's go see. This is gonna be interesting. Wow, I can't believe this is inside this structure. It's insane. We're gonna get a little bit of active fitness before getting hungry because today we are going to eat really a lot. And this guy wants me to show you how to play squash. What's this game?
Pedal.
Pedal. I never play with pedal. Why? How do you play?
Vai.
Oh, let's go inside. Bro, come on. Let's go make some pizza because this is not my thing. I got too much work. Let's go make some pizza. Let's go see the real what's this video about. Let me meet the owner. Is the owner there?
Yes.
Okay, let's go meet them. Let's go. Wow, super excited. Come with me. Let's meet the owners of this pizza place besides Sofia Loren. Buongiorno.
Ciao Ito.
Tutto bene?
Piacere, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. They speak English, luckily. And today I want to ask you a couple of questions. Oh, pizza time! Pizza time. Fantastic. Let me see.
You wanna try it?
No, I want to see if it's soft and crunchy at the same time. I always test. Yes, it's soft and crunchy. The pizza needs to be soft and crunchy. So soft inside and crunchy from outside. That's the perfection of pizza. That's why I'm here today, to show this guy there in United States of America. They're here in Bari finally. They have one of the best pizza. So can I ask you a question? How many locations you guys have?
This is the third location.
So three locations. You're planning to
Four,
open more?
four.
Three, but we have to open in USA too. So we start to LA.
LA, we are coming. What do you think? Comment below. We're gonna bring this brand to USA or not? Because it's so beautiful.
But Vito, we don't have only pizza. We're
know.
a restaurant too. We can have a nice fish, fresh fish every day from Bari and
Complete.
complete
So you have,
everything.
like you serve everything, full liquor.
Everything. Meat,
Appetizer.
fish. So you have to try this pizza.
Let me try.
See?
Wanna
I
see?
found
Listen the crunch.
Oh,
I'm from Naples. He's from Bari. I'm from Naples. Both
Napolitan.
from South, but
thank you so much.
But
I
yeah.
understand our pizza. This one is the Sofia Loren pizza.
That's why. So we have to show them. In a little bit, I'm gonna show you. Watch into the end because I'm gonna show you how this pizza is made. We're gonna get technical. So guys, thank you so much. And
But now I want to see you.
you wanna see
To
me
make
the
a pizza. So because Sofia Loren want that you make a pizza for her.
So I'm gonna make a Sofia. I wanna show you how I make the pizza. Okay.
And next time, see you in LA, yeah?
See you in
big
LA.
honor to have you here.
Thank you.
So in LA,
In LA.
next opening.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, guys, let's go ahead and let's make something happen, something interesting. Let's see how they make this pizza. Ciao, my friend.
Ciao.
You're from
Bari,
What's your name?
Domenico Rinaldi.
Wait, stop 1 second. Domenico, you're making 4 pizzas.
Pizza.
I'm excited to see. So, guys, to show you, I want to see the Sofia Loren one. I'm here because the Sofia Loren pizza.
Ok.
So, this is an honor for me to be here.
Anche
So,
per me è un onore.
Thank you so much. So, show me what you got here. What's the hydration of the dough?
È 78-80,
Look at this.
anche di più.
70-80% of the pizza dough. It's like water. I miss how we stretch the pizza. So let me see again. How do you stretch the pizza? You see? Flour, semolina. Press from the cross. Voila. Oh, come on. Why not the clap technique?
Stesura Baresi.
Bari style. But
Bari
this is not
style.
Bari style. You did a good job. But you don't know how to do the
No.
clap technique? You want me to
Fammi
show
vedere.
You want me to show you
Sì.
really quick? Let me show this guy how to stretch the Neapolitan pizza. He's from Bari. This restaurant is brand new, so it's very hard to find people, pizza chef that know how to make Neapolitan pizza. But this guy is really good, and today we're gonna show him how to do the clap technique. One for me and one for you.
Ok.
One for you, one for me. Follow my hands. Now what we do here, we press. So follow me. Press the air to the crust. And back. Wow, that's full of air. Now we flip it over one more time. Press one more time. Now what we do at this point, so one end we press, one end we pull. Then you turn this end on top. Then down. Down. Perfect. Now we press again. Then again. Then again. Stop right there. One end here. Take off the flour. And then you let it down right there. Boom. The pizza is ready. Good job. Good job, Domenico. Vai, let's make this pizza. Show me. So, the Sofia Loren. I want to see the Sofia Loren one. Okay. We have to make a margherita to show these guys. Quick tomato sauce. Okay, this is the, hold on, this is the Sofia Loren one.
Sì.
So we got scarola,
Olive cagliazzane. Datterini.
so basically cherry tomato, yellow and red. Capers, stracciatella, typical cheese from Puglia. So when you make 4 pizzas, you have to make them all 4 together. Otherwise they're gonna stick. So I have to put this one right now, right away in the oven. And then you make the other 3.
Okay.
That's a cheese pizza. Let me put this pizza right away in the oven because, again, when you make 4 pizzas, they're gonna go all in the oven. Go ahead. Voila. Make a large. Little bit olive oil.
No.
No olive oil. Okay, perfect. Boom, in the oven. Electric pizza oven. Fantastic. Can I go in the oven? So we are going one by one here. Vai, get stuck both together. Then we'll put olive oil on the pizza. This oven is incredible. It cooks in fast. Cooks fast. Okay, here we go. The first one, Sofia Loren. It's ready. There we go. It's soft and crunchy in the same time. Vai. Pizza is almost ready, the other one too. Okay, voila, boom. Margherita is almost ready. Boom, boom, boom. This is ready too. Wow, this oven is really fast, really surprising. It's on electric 100%. The temperature here is 484 versus 490. Right now the oven, boom, just cook 4 pizzas. And if you don't be careful, it's gonna burn the pizzas. They are all 4 ready. So let's finish up this pizza. Margherita here.
Yeah.
I put basil, correct?
Sì.
Vai. Basil on the margherita. Olive oil. See?
Sì.
Olive oil on everywhere. I like to put the olive oil on the crust too. A little bit of olive oil right too. A little bit of Sofia Loren too. Voila. And then right here. Done. Voila. Boom, boom, boom. So you can put some sun-dried tomato.
Semi-dry e primo santo.
And to finish, we have some nice anchovies.
Anchovies.
Fantastic. So this is the Sofia Loren pizza. Insane. The pizzas are ready. Get 2 pieces right there. Let's give it like a round. These are the pizza from Sofia Loren restaurant. Insane. Let's see if it's soft and crunchy.
Soft and crunchy.
It's time to see the crust inside,
Taglio.
taste, and finish up this video because it's been a journey today. So let's see the inside of this crust. I want to show you guys that is, we are talking about the Sofia Loren pizza. That's how it looks. Look at this. It's Nice, it's air. That's why they make. You can tell that this pizza was 80%, 75% of hydration. I don't want to be wrong, but Domenico, you're gonna taste with me. I'm excited, to be honest. I taste this one already. Let's get this anchovies right there. That's the perfect slice. I want to taste this one right here. Pesto, potato, and sausage.
And yes,
Chin chin.
Chichi.
Voila. Oh, but get the cherry tomato. Good job. Like we say, subscribe, share, and see you in the next one. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, guys. All the information are in the description. This location exactly is in Bari, but check out. They are about to open a chain, even in US. See you in the next one.